Jax! Jax! $1 because we're at the first. Holy God, what are these? The whistles.
Oh, this is the best. Let's get mustaches.
Check. Who that is? Do you see who that is?
Justin. Don't hit Justin Bieber and there's people coming, so stop.
Just.
I love the Biebs. Toy. What else is there?
That's beautiful. Oh, basketball.
Let's get matching wristbands even though we already have matching wristbands that we're not wearing. That's what I was telling you. Now we're even.
No, I really didn't wear it because you don't wear yours. So.
It's in my basement. So you gotta rip the Ohio snakes and they come out of. Oh! See, crazy. They come from nowhere.
Hello. We have mustaches now.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
She smells like cheese.
Okay. Hello. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Sorry.
yours.
Get it. We're changing. This isn't awkward or anything. Hey guys.
Don't touch me, I'm fabulous.
Okay, they're yelling. This is awkward.
Love you.